Guys, so we're back with our next Test It Out Tuesday. I don't know if you were with us on our last one, but our last one, somebody requested that we do the Angry Mama. And what it is, it's a microwave cleaner. It says done in just 5 minutes, disinfects and cleans with white vinegar and water. So that's all you're going to need for this. We're going to take it to the microwave over there. We're going to set it up and show you step by step on what we need to do. Alright guys, so we have the Angry Mama set up. It says the instructions are to remove Angry Mama's hair and head from body. Then we have to add a tablespoon of vinegar. So we're going to add that right now. It has the vinegar marked right here on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it. So we're going to add that. We added the vinegar, now we have to add the water, which is at the second line, to fill it up. And we put the parts back on. And the next instructions are to put it inside for 5 minutes, medium high. Alright guys, so we microwaved the Angry Mama for 5 minutes, then it's had to let it sit for 2 additional minutes, maybe to just, make sure it gets all the stuff off the sides. And it says the safest way to take it out would be by the arms. Don't grab it by the body or by the head, and say the arms stay the coolest. So we're going to take it out. We're going to see how it goes, wiping it down. So it claims to have to disinfect and clean it thoroughly. It seems very, it still seems very tough. Like it didn't really soften it up like it claimed to. Maybe it's because we really haven't touched it, but in my opinion, it really hasn't done what it says it's gonna do. But it looks cleaner. It's getting it. It got the job done. Semi. It just seems like there's still some spots on it. You know, it kind of seems like it's spread a little bit when I'm cleaning. See the pan. All these spots don't seem to be coming off. They still seem very rough. I'm pressing down pretty hard, but it still seems to be very hard on it. So obviously it looks a little cleaner than it did before, like on the walls and on the side, but there's still like lines and streaks and a couple of spots that are really hard. So, alright guys, so we just tested out the Angry Mama in the microwave. We microwaved it for 5 minutes and we let it sit for an additional 2 minutes. We opened it up. It did seem soft at first when I was rubbing it down, but after a while there were certain spots that just stayed too tough. Like it didn't really do what it said it was gonna do. So I really don't think it's nothing you can do yourself with just a normal spray and scrub. You know, so in our opinion, we're gonna give this a thumbs down, sadly, but by all means, test it out yourself. It's only $9.87 on Amazon, so it's relatively cheap, but in our opinion, we could just do this on our own, you know. So make sure to like the video, guys, subscribe, follow up with us. Next week, we're gonna do another Test It Out Tuesday. Also follow up with us this Thursday and this Saturday. We're gonna have more videos coming up soon. Bye, guys.